Hey beauty queens, what's going on? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So basically I want to show you guys this wig that I got from this company called Royalme. They make lace wigs and they sent me a fake scalp wig. So this wig is supposed to be no maintenance. You plop it on, you cut your lace, and you're good to go. You don't have to put a cap on. You don't have to do any of that stuff. You can just put it on because it's actually built into the wig. So I'm going to show you guys that before I put it on. So as you can see, like, it looks like I have a Caesar right now. I have my hair all slicked back into a ponytail because I'm not putting a cap, so I'm going to put the wig right on top. So this is the box. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a few things. So first I want to show you the wig that I got. The wig is actually a straight bun cut bob. It's a really cute wig. Okay, so the wig, as you can see, it already has a fake scalp. So if you can see right here, they have like an extra piece of fabric, but not like how a silk base closure would be. It's thinner. It looks really natural. So when you plop the wig on, you really have nothing to do. You see the hairline. Only thing that's on there is the lace that you will have to, of course, get rid of, you know, for it to look as natural as possible. Now, I'm going to show you guys the difference between the two. So, if you guys are not sure of what the difference is, here is another wig that I have. So this wig is just like that one, except for there is no extra piece of fabric. So with this, you would, of course, wear a cap underneath. You know, just so that you can make it look more scalp-like. With this wig, you do not have to do that. So you can just plop this wig on. It's so easy without all of the extra steps. You have no extra steps. So this would be your Royalme wig with the fake scalp Wearproof. And this would be your regular lace wig. So this is the difference between the two wigs. But if you're in a hurry, who wants to do all of the maintenance, you know, I mean, not maintenance, who wants to do all of the cap method and things like that? So without maintenance, wanting to just get up and go and do what you got to do, take it on and off without having to worry about having to take the cap off, this would be your go-to. Also, they have a bra strap that they've attached on the inside so that you could make the wig adjustable. So I have the wig on the second hook. They have 3 hooks. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on my head. So like I said, you have to get rid of the extra lace. But do you see this? Like, this is kind of lit. I got real excited just now. I'm sorry. So, I'm pulling it over my ears. Well, the lace part, so I can cut the excess lace that I do not need off. So this is just a little extra piece right here that I'm going to get rid of. But once you do this first time, you will never have to do it again. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, I cut the lace off. You can definitely just wear it like this. Like, you bump it a little bit, get your little bump on. Me, for my personal I want to customize the hairline a little bit and just put my hair down, put it down a little bit. So I'm just going to do a little of my baby hairs like I always do. Pluck them a little bit. Y'all see this? I'm gonna just do the same thing for this side. This side like that. You pluck whatever way you want the hair to go, you pluck in that direction. See, they had the hair going back. I wasn't really feeling that. Now, I done did my baby hairs a little bit. Y'all, look at this. Look how natural this looks. You could do a nice little half up, half down situation going on here. Yeah, but this you could just go. I didn't do nothing but pull my baby hairs out. I slapped it on. I don't have to do that ever again. This is it. So that's how you install this quick and easy, already built-in fake scalp bob wig from Royalme. I will leave all of the information down below in the description box for anybody who wants to purchase, as well as their direct links to follow them on Instagram. And I would like to thank you guys for watching.